In an effort to get ready for the colder weather, I ended up getting two pairs of boots from UGGs. The first pair are called Harkley. The best way to think about them is just like a classic boot, just a little shorter and with laces. They're still made with that classic suede material. The laces just give it a less casual look. The interior of the boot is completely and fully lined with wool. And if we flip these guys over, that's what the tread looks like. Now, if you are familiar with Uggs, you'll know that this is the taller version of another boot called the Neumel. So if you were stuck between the two and you didn't know which one to get, here's a nice side-by-side comparison view. Now, here's a back-to-back height comparison on the two. The Neumels will hit you basically right at the ankle, and the Harkleys are just a touch taller. The next pair of boots I got were the Harkley weather boots, and as the name implies, it's not made out of suede, it's made out of leather, which is treated so that it is waterproof, which is pretty key in the colder months. These also came with an extra pair of laces. These boots come fully lined in that classic UGG wool. And if we flip these guys over, this is what the tread looks like.